Have you ever walked into an interview and the thoughts going in your head was, how can I make this interviewer see me as the right fit for the job? So you're in luck today. In today's video, I'm going to spill all the career tea on how you can make interviewers feel that you're the best candidate for the job. Hey everyone, my name is Chika. I am a recruiter and career strategist, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place guiding you to the career and life you love. I want you to walk away from this video feeling confident that you can step into any interview and kill it. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over 4 tips that you can use right now to make the interviewer feel that you're the best candidate for the job. I've proven this formula with many of my clients, and I'm gonna share all the tea with you today. #1, do your homework and solve their pain point. What I mean by this is that before you even step into the interview, you need to do your research and learn everything about the organization. Great places to look is their company website, their newsletter, social media, specifically Twitter and LinkedIn. A lot of organizations share up-to-the-date news on their organization on these 2 platforms, because when you step into the interview, you want to come across informed and really interested in the organization. So the more you understand the organization, their point points, the better you're gonna come prepared for the interview. Another reason why you want to do your research and try to figure out everything you can about the organization is because typically when an organization is looking to hire someone, filling a position, that's literally the word we use as recruiters, is because there's a pain point and we're looking for someone to solve that. So when you do your research, you're gonna be able to figure out, okay, they're looking for a recruiter. Maybe they need more help finding the right people, and I am that recruiter that they can hire in order to fill that gap. So you see what I'm saying? So when you do your research, you're going to be able to look at the job description, figure out how your skills align with the job description, and be able to sell yourself more on why you're the best candidate for the job. #2, you want to make a match. So in order to align yourself and sell yourself for the organization, you need to be able to know that, does the job description align with the skill sets that I have? Does the job description align with extracurricular activities I've done, volunteer work I've done in the past, and my academic qualifications? The more things on your resume that align with the job description, the better the match. And another great tool you can use in order to really see if you are a good match for the job you're applying for is JobScan. So JobScan, you put your resume and the job description through their scanner, and then it says whether you're a match. So if you see it's a 30% match, then clearly you got some work to do. And either it could be your resume needs more tweaking, or there's something that's missing between the job description and your resume, but all that is preparing you for the interview, because you don't want to step in there and then the recruiter feels like they're wasting their time because you're not a match. So the more research you can do, as I said earlier, then in #2, you can actually make sure you're matched for the organization. #3, you need to sell yourself. So how you sell yourself is making sure you use I statements and you avoid using we. And this is not the time to be modest. This is not the time to do the slight humble brag. You really want to sell your achievements. So how this would look like is, I accomplished this, or I did this work which helped the organization do this. So using I statements is a really great way to sell yourself. And as I said before, avoid using we, because when I hear we as a recruiter, I'm not sure if the team did something, the team accomplished something, or did you actually make that accomplishment? So make sure you use I statements. And if you honestly are the person that doesn't really like bragging or feel uncomfortable with this, then you can use other people to sell you. So how this would look like is, my coworkers gave me this award, or my manager was grateful for this achievement that I did. So again, you're using other people as reference to the achievements that you did, but it's really important that you sell yourself in the interview using your achievements. When you're selling yourself, make sure to use storytelling. Storytelling is powerful, and it's a great way to highlight achievements you have done in the past. So when you're doing a story, make sure it has 3 parts, which is the problem you face, how you fix it, and the outcome. And this can look something like this. Our website got hacked, and I worked with the hosting company to make sure it's resolved so that within an hour, our website got back online to help our customers. So again, I showcased the problem, how I fixed it, and the final outcome. So when you're doing storytelling, make sure you think about those 3 parts. And this is really, really key when you're looking to sell yourself and share your story. Tip number 4, and the most important tip, is be authentic and be you. When you step into the interview, you want to come across friendly and engaging and confident. And all these elements are parts that recruiters are assessing as well. It's not just about the skills you have, but how personable are you? Are you someone we want to work with? And another big component of interviews is the cultural fit. So when you're friendly and confident and engaging, all that is really helping sell your market, as we say in Nigeria. So make sure you have eye contact. Make sure you smile. And again, really, you have to realize that this is a flowing conversation. So when the interviewer asks you, do you have any questions for me? Don't just look at them with a blank face. Ask them questions. Be engaging. This is your time to interview the organization as well. So it's really important that you're engaging and you're having a flowing conversation, because this will really give brownie points in the interview. So relax. If you have to, meditate. If you have to breathe a little bit before you actually step into the interview, all these elements are important, and coming across authentic and showcasing your real self. Now you have all the keys to make the interviewer feel that you are the best candidate for the job. But if you're looking for more information on how to get yourself in front of the right organizations and land yourself the dream job, then head on over to my website, chikaowazie.com. I have written an amazing guide with 10 resume strategies that you can use right now to level up in your career and become an interview magnet. The link is down below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit that bell, subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And if this video was helpful, comment helpful below. I'm always sharing all the career tea to help you level up in your career. Thank you for joining me today, and see you at the next video.